Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel Beyond the Briefcase. So as you must be knowing that recently our finance minister she has tabled a bill, income tax bill. That particular bill has come up with various loopholes. The first being that your email ID and social media account can be accessed by the income tax officers starting financial year 2026-2027 in various cases. So basically, it means that now, from moving forward, the income tax officers would get access of your social media accounts, email IDs, all the emails, just to make sure that you're not hiding anything from the officials, and it would definitely infringe your privacy. And as you know, in the case Puttaswamy versus Union of India, right to privacy 2016 uh, became your fundamental right. It is your fundamental right to privacy. So let's see what exactly uh, would happen if this particular bill gets proper accent. And yeah, I think that people will definitely going to file PIL in the Supreme Court just because of some clause which is there in this particular bill, because it clearly violates the privacy of all the individuals. So income tax department will have the legal authority to break into your access, your social media accounts, personal emails, bank account, online investment accounts, trading accounts, more if they suspect that you have evaded income tax or they have any reason to believe that you own any disclosed income, money, gold, jewelry, valuable item, property which you haven't paid applicable income tax as per the Income Tax Act 1961. So currently, we are paying very heavy income tax. If you guys agree, do write yes in the comment section. And after that, now the government, what they want to do is they want the full access of our bank account, our trading account, our investment account, just to make sure that even after paying 30% of tax, whether we are hiding anything or not. So I just want to know your opinion as well on this particular issue. Section 132 of existing ID 1961, it it authorizes officers to conduct searches, seize assets and books of accounts if they have information and reason to believe that an individual has any undisclosed income. So you must be knowing that if you're hiding anything from the IT department, they do have authority to perform a perfection type of inspection, just to make sure that how much you're hiding, and on that particular amount you have not paid any income tax. So yeah, they do have that power under section 132 of 1961 IT Act. But now, just because of this new act, let's discuss according to the clause 270, 247 of income tax bill. If an authorized officer has reason to believe that individual possesses undisclosed income or property that comes under the ambit of IT Act, they can break open the lock of any door, box, locker, safe, almirah, or other receptacle for exercising the powers conferred by the clause 1. Yeah. So we all agree that if you have accurate knowledge that any particular individual, they have not paid the income tax, but they do have undisclosed a number of property, anything, it could be anything in any of door, box, locker, almin, then you do have power to break into it. But infringing privacy of any individual is a different thing. It's all allowed a different thing, and I don't think so that Supreme Court will allow this particular thing, because definitely you wouldn't allow any unknown officer to spy or just to check your Instagram, Facebook, right, and your email IDs even, because it's very useful for the individual. You don't allow unknown people just to check your randomly check your email ID and social media accounts. So, what changes in the new income tax bill enforce this? The definition of virtual digital space, as highlighted by the income tax bill, is quite extensive. And it also mentions that individuals' social media accounts, bank accounts, trading, investment, which I just now mentioned, that all this thing will come under the virtual digital space. So, according to me, this particular term will create a huge issue, and I think PIL will be filed in the Supreme Court just because of the interpretation of this particular word, which is virtual digital space. Because we cannot allow, right? We cannot allow the government, we cannot allow unknown IT officers just to check into our account. Also, performing activities using computers, systems, computer networks, computer resources, communication devices, cyberspace, internet, World Wide Web, emerging technologies using data information in electronic form for creation, storage, exchanges includes. So all these things it comes under virtual digital space, email server, social media account, online investment account, trading account, bank account, any website used for storing details of ownership of any asset, remote server, digital application platform, any other space of similar nature. Guys, I think according to me, it's like that even if you own a pen or pencil, you'll have to, tell the government that, see, today I purchased a new pen or pencil. Because after seeing all these clauses, definitely you'll think that in the same way that even if you buy a small thing, we'll have to inform the government that please come and check. We have purchased a good and take the tax, whatever amount you want. So I definitely see that there is absolutely no privacy remaining on our side. They are getting into everything. Initially, you must be knowing that government came with a mandate that it's essential for all the citizens to connect Aadhaar card, PAN card to your bank account, because through that they can keep regular check on all the individuals, right? Now, second thing, they have come up with, I would say it's disastrous uh, when we talk about privacy, because they have included everything, it's everything. See, email ID, social media, you don't have anything else. So let's see who are the authorized officer under the new income tax bill. So as defined under the bill, the term authorized officer means joint director, additional director, commissioner, assistant director, assistant commissioner, and income tax officer, tax recovery officer. So those people would be getting the power to inspect your everything like email ID, social media, and all those things which was mentioned above. Challenge to fundamental right to privacy. Just now I mentioned that it raises a significant concern regarding the constitutional validity, potential state overreach. So I think that, yeah, legislature, they are overreaching and they are misusing their power. And while the government may justify it as a measure to curb tax evasion, undisclosed digital assets, the vague definition of VDS, virtual digital space, definitely it's a vague definition which they have given. Also, in the absence of judicial oversight or specific procedural safeguards, this provision risks becoming a tool for arbitrary scrutiny rather than a structured tax enforcement mechanism. I definitely agree with this point. Also, will it be constitutionally valid? The Supreme Court observed in the case of case Puttaswamy versus of India. Just now, I mentioned the same case law that right to privacy under Article 21 is your right to privacy. It becomes your fundamental right. Uh, Also, this particular definition is very vague, and we cannot allow the government to simply enter into our digital domain to inspect everything whatever they want. No, that cannot be happen. Can the search and seizure be extended to the company where the SSC is employed? And that's a particular point which talks about the organization. And so that's it. Do let me know in the comment section that what's your opinion on that. Also, do let me know that the amount which we are paying right now as an income tax. Do you think that we are getting proper facilities, and the amount which we are paying comparing with other countries? I do agree with the point that we are a developing nation, but still, I think that if we talk about direct tax or if we talk about indirect tax, we are paying a lot. So do let me know your opinion in the comment section. I would love to read your opinion, and stay tuned for more informative videos. Share with your friends and stay tuned for more videos. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.